Hey Charlie, it's Austin at Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. Wanted to take a quick minute and do a little walk-around video of this 2012 Ram you'd expressed some interest in. This was kind of Ram's first iteration, I think, of the sport. So this has the color-keyed bumpers. It's less chrome, more sport, white on white. So the truck's in good shape. Here's a shot of the wheels. Got the chrome-clad wheel. Really good tread depth on the tires there. I'm going to walk down the body lines and just kind of show you. I like to point anything out if I see it. Here's the back wheel. I always like to show people the wheels in case they're scuffed. These seem to be in really good shape. It's got the Mopar sticker on the back. It's got the tonneau cover on the back. This one's got the dual exhaust. Obviously this truck's got the Hemi with it. Here's the back driver's side wheel. And then here's the front driver's side wheel. I don't see anything on the bumper, paint chip wise or anything like that. I don't see any rock chips. Usually if you see rock chips, they're right along here. Does not look like there's any. I'll walk down this side of the body line too and kind of get a close look. This one's a quad cab. That's keyless entry. Let you take a look at the interior here. Cloth interior. Driver's seat's in good shape. Got 60,740 miles. There's the passenger seat. I'll show you a shot of the back here. Looks like there's one spot on the back there I need to have my detail shop take care of. And there we go. Hopefully this kind of helps you make your decision. I know you said you were looking at a couple different ones, but this is a clean truck and it's priced right. And remember, as always, here we have no dealer fees, no documentation fees, and we're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. Thanks for your time.